whether you're preparing for your driving test or just brushing up on the rules of the road. In this video, we'll go through 40 must-know road signs to help you stay informed and confident behind the wheel. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more driving tips. Let's get started. Question 1. What does this road sign indicate? A. Do not drive on tracks. Question 2. What does this road sign mean? B. Series of bends ahead, Z-bend sign. Question 3. Can you identify this road sign? C. Bear crossing sign. Question 4. Question 5. What does this road sign represent? A. One-way traffic. Question 6. What does this sign indicate? Series of bends ahead, Z-bend sign. Question 7. What does this sign tell drivers? Agricultural vehicles. Question 8. What does this road sign mean? Do not drive on tracks. Question 9. Can you identify this road sign? C. 180-degree curve to the left. Question 10. Question 11. What does this road sign mean? C. Gasoline. Question 12. What does this road sign indicate? B. Keep right. Question 13. Can you identify this road sign? A. Route to the left. Question 14. What does this road sign mean? Pedestrians ahead? Question 15. What does this road sign indicate? Keep right. Question 16. What does this road sign mean? Gasoline. Question 17. What does this road sign indicate? A. No right turn for trucks. Question 18. What does this road sign mean? B. Diesel fuel. Question 19. Question 20. What does this road sign indicate? B. Crosswind sign. Question 21. What does this road sign mean? A. Buses prohibited. Question 22. What does this road sign indicate? Food. Question 23. What does this road sign mean? Crosswind sign. Question 24. Can you identify this road sign? Buses prohibited. Question 25. What does this road sign indicate? A. No U-turns for vehicular traffic. Question 26. What does this road sign mean? B. Direction to a motorway at the junction. Question 27. What does this road sign indicate? C. Curve to the left. Question 28. Question 29. What does this road sign mean? C. Accompanied horses. Question 30. What does this road sign indicate? Curve to the left. Question 31. Can you identify this road sign? Road narrows on the right side. Question 32. What does this road sign mean? Accompanied horses. Question 33. What does this road sign indicate? B. Junction direction sign. Question 34. Question 35. Can you identify this road sign? B. Shared route for pedal cycles and pedestrians only. Question 36. What does this road sign indicate? A. 270-degree loop curve. Question 37. What does this road sign mean? B. Stop, English. Question 38. Can you identify this road sign? Shared route for pedal cycles and pedestrians only. Question 39. What does this road sign indicate? Junction direction sign. Question 40. What does this road sign mean? Stop, English. Question 41. Can you identify this road sign? B. Straight through and left turn. Question 42. What does this road sign indicate? C. More detailed, one-way traffic. Question 43. What does this road sign mean? B. Shared path. Question 44. Can you identify this road sign? A. Narrow two-way traffic. Question 45. Question 46. What does this road sign mean? Narrow two-way traffic. Question 47. Can you identify this road sign? More details. One-way traffic. Question 48. What does this road sign indicate? Straight through and left turn. Question 49. What does this road sign mean? B. Staggered crossroads ahead. Question 50. Question 51. What does this road sign indicate? B. Curve with side road. Question 52. What does this road sign mean? C. Railroad crossing. Question 53. Can you identify this road sign? B. Lane ends in 1,500 meters. Question 54. What does this road sign indicate? Curve with side road, right. Question 55. What does this road sign mean? Railroad crossing. Question 56. Can you identify this road sign? Staggered crossroads ahead. Question 57. What does this road sign indicate? B. Junction on a bend. Question 58. What does this road sign mean? A. Bicycle parking. Question 59. Question 60. What does this road sign indicate? C. Checkerboard one direction. Question 61. What does this road sign mean? B. Question 62. Can you identify this road sign? C. Checkerboard one direction. Question 63. What does this road sign indicate? Bicycle parking. Question 64. What does this road sign mean? Goods vehicles exceeding an unladen weight of 7.5 tons prohibited. Great job on learning these 40 must-know road signs. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more essential driving tips.